Hi, this is Rich with Rich Baum Photography, Sacramento, California. And today I'm just giving a little update on the Rich Baum Tips and Tricks for Real Estate Photography Workshop Tour 2018. And now it's officially a tour because I'm going to give you some great dates in different cities around the country. And this is just the beginning and what we have so far. So they're ongoing and we're going to be doing more workshops. But right now, this is what I have. Well, we just finished a 2-day workshop yesterday in beautiful Auburn, California. And we had 10 participants. So these are really small, hands-on, really, it can be very intimate settings so we can all really learn and we can work together, and you're going to see with me how I do it, and everything I do in my YouTube channel, you're going to see it in person with me, and I'm going to show you the twilight photography in person. We're going to be doing window pulls, camera setups, where do you put your camera. We're going to work with tilt shifts and pole photography. We're going to be doing some beautiful, beautiful homes, and these are going to be a wonderful opportunity. Long days, intense days, but you're going to learn so much and have so much fun. So the tour right now is I just finished 2 days in Auburn, California, which is just outside Sacramento, and I'm going to be having a second Auburn workshop in a week. And that is going to be, I just want to scroll here and make sure I got all the dates right. March 21st, we're going to be in Auburn, and that is a beautiful historic mining town in Northern California. It's about 40 miles from Sacramento International Airport, right near Sacramento. It is 1 hour from Lake Tahoe, and we're supposed to get 7 feet of snow in the next 2 days. So bring your skis out to California. Let's go skiing and do photography workshops. And we're going to be 2 hours from San Francisco, so it's really centrally located. These are 10-person max, hands-on, really in-depth and person-to-person workshops. So they're not big things. These are really a great opportunity to learn. So we're going to be doing the 2 days in Auburn coming up in the 21st and 22nd of March, which is going to be a great workshop again, and it's in a beautiful house. It is perfect. Everybody loved the house. We had a great time shooting it and got some great portfolio shots for everybody. And the next workshop is going up to Seattle, Washington. Can't wait to get up there. It is so beautiful. We're going to be in Alki Beach, which is really right near the water. It's going to be a beautiful home with incredible views to work on your window pulls and to do just some wonderful shooting. Have fun, learn, shoot, and just have a blast. And go to Seattle, Pike's Market, go Pike's Place, go everywhere and enjoy yourself. I know I am. So the dates of the Seattle workshops, 2 workshops back to back, it's going to be April 9th and 10th. I'm taking a day off the 11th. I might actually do some private coaching on that day off. So contact me if you're interested in getting a little more education. And then the second of the workshops will be the 12th and the 13th. So it's going to be a Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. So you can sign up for either of those. We have 10 spots in each, but they are probably half sold out already. So I would really recommend get on your ticket right away. You can find the website address underneath this video in the show notes. You can contact me if you have any questions. And when you thought that was just good enough, after Seattle, I'm going to Dallas, Texas. I'm going to be doing at least 1 workshop in Dallas, possibly 2. And these are for all the Midwest people. And that workshop is actually coming along very well too. So you have a little bit of time, but you will need to make reservations and sign up for, register for the workshop because it will sell out. And that is going to be in Dallas, Texas on May 7th and 8th, and then it will be on the 9th and 10th. So these are really 2 back-to-back workshops. So you are actually welcome. I have one person going to sign up for both workshops because they want 4 days of education. And I'm not going to say no to that. So it's really up to you. So please send me questions. Check out the website. On the website, you can learn more about these workshops. You can contact me if you have any questions whatsoever. Contact me. You know I'd be happy to tell you anything you want to know about them. You can register on the workshops. You can find out more information there too. All these locations are centrally located where you can find hotels, lodging, and I will help you with any information you need, where to stay, what to do, and give you all the information you need. So This is Rich Baum Photography, Sacramento, California, saying, you've seen the videos, now come hang out with me and let's go have a good time and just have fun with real estate photography in our workshops, okay? You have a great day, and if you have any questions, send me a message. Talk to you later. Bye.